How to get the Postbank Black Card, SASSA Gold Card replacement. Attention SASSA grant recipients. If you're still using the old SASSA Gold Card, it's time to switch. The new Postbank Black Card is here, and it's important to replace your old card before it expires. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about getting your new Postbank Black Card. Let's get started. Why is the SASSA Gold Card being replaced? The SASSA Gold Card is being phased out and beneficiaries are required to switch to the new Postbank Black Card. This change ensures smooth payments, improved security, and continued access to your social grants without disruptions. New Postbank Black Card benefits: secure and reliable transactions. Continued access to SASSA grants can be used at ATMs and retailers. Section 2. Who needs to get the Postbank Black Card? If you receive a SASSA grant and are still using the Gold Card, you need to switch to the Postbank Black Card. This includes recipients of the Older Persons Grant, Child Support Grant, Disability Grant, and more. Don't wait until your Gold Card stops working. Where and how to get the Postbank Black Card? Step 1. Visit the nearest post office or Postbank designated location. Go to your nearest post office or an official Postbank center that is handling the card replacement process. There are some various retail outlets across the country earmarked for this exercise. Check official Postbank Facebook page for those centers or dial the USSD short code 120E3 to know your nearest outlet. Step 2. Bring the required documents. Make sure you have these documents with you: your valid South African ID, your current SASSA Gold Card, not a strict requirement though. What is more important is the SA ID card or temporary ID. Step 3. Apply for the Postbank Black Card. The staff will assist you in switching to the new card and they'll verify your details. Step 4. Activate your card. Once you receive your new Postbank Black Card, it needs to be activated before use. You'll be guided on how to do this at the post office. Step 5. Start using your new card. You can use your new Postbank Black Card to withdraw cash at ATMs, make purchases at retailers, and receive your grant payments as usual. Can I designate someone to collect on my behalf? Yes. Although SASSA wished that everyone will come in person to collect their cards, certain circumstances may not allow that. So go to the SASSA office and request for proxy letter and give it to designated person to collect on your behalf. Important deadlines and warnings. SASSA has warned grant recipients to switch before their Gold Card expires on 28th of February 2025 to avoid payment issues. Make sure to replace your card as soon as possible. If you delay, you may struggle to receive your grant. Stay ahead and get your Postbank Black Card now. That's everything you need to know about switching to the new Postbank Black Card. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on SASSA grants and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.